back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Josh and Flag going to come out. We got that taken care of. We're going to get these cars on the track and go hot lapping here. As the first cars pull on the track, that's going to be the 8R of the game, Robert Ray Roberts. Lap session number 1 underway. The top of the board is going to be Matthew Porter in that 19P with a 14.75. Next set of cars pulling on the Speedway will be led by the 18 machine. That's our defending track champion. That's going to be Mr. TJ Salengo. Joining him on the Speedway to Coburn, Virginia in the 34. That's going to be Evan McReynolds. The K54, that's going to be Pond Gap, West Virginia's Kenny Rucker. The 45 is going to be Still Fast, Eddie Hambrick. And the 18 is going to be Scooby. That's Stephen Atkins Jr. The 316 is going to be Jim Rader. Hot lap session number 2 on the Speedway for the C and Adam Tony Pro Late models. Green on the 45. Green. So far, top of the board is Matthew Porter with a 14.75. Jacob Rucker right there with a 14.94. TJ Salengo working that high line down in 3 and 4. Skirting the top up there, folding that right rear under, working that high line in the 18 machine. Track still a little bit slimy out there as TJ Salengo losing the handle down in turn 3 and 4. Uncharacteristic of the 18 machine. That just tells you what kind of slickness these guys are dealing with here early. First car pulling out on the Speedway in the number 5 is Nitro West Virginia's Andrew Bays. That's going to be the 103. We call him Bubba. That's Mason Cologne. It's going to be the 23P. Out of Fayetteville, West Virginia, it's going to be Ryan Perry, the 11 machine. That's going to be Rural Retreat, Virginia's Austin Blevins. The 10 is going to be Connor New. The 83 is going to be Dale Cox, and the 10 is going to be Hunter New. flag is out for hot lap session number 1 for the sport mod. Oh, the 23P of Fayetteville, West Virginia's Ryan Perry losing the handle on it down in turns 3 and 4. That'll bring out the caution flag here in hot lap session number 1 for the sport mods. Connor New to the top of the board with a 15.76. Mason Cologne, 16.25. So far, the only car in the 15-second bracket is that 10 machine of Connor New. So Mason Bubba Cologne jumping to the top of the board with a 15.68. Stealing it from Connor New right there at the end. Out here in hot lap session number 2 for the Sport Mod Division, chasing Bubba Cologne with a 15.68. Elite Racing Series. This is your last call. Elite Racing Series, last call for hot laps. Conclude hot laps. Harley Martin to the top of the board with a 15.222. Lord of the Bumblebees hitting Speedway. First car around here on the front straightaway is going to be the D11. That's going to be Zachary Dayton. And it's going to be the 33. That's Shane Greco. Shane, you got yours on. Give me a tap there. Thank you, sir. How about your 30C? How about your 30? How about your 30T? You got me? And 13. You got yours on 13? Thank you, sir. We're going to go whenever you are. All right, we'll go green on the 33. Green on the 33. Mr. Greco says the pace here, sir. Green flag coming out, hot lap session for the Legends. The Onyx Legends are firing, they're underway. Shane Greco out there in that 33 machine, no stranger to the Beckley Motor Speedway victory lane. First time out there, going to give a shot at the Legends machines here on an off night with the series as he runs the American All-Star Series this year in the Pro Late Model Division. And to the top of the board goes Chris Mills with a 17.35. Travis Mills going to rip it away with a 16.80. Zachary Dayton right there with a 16.90. Green flag is out for hot lap qualifying for the SCDRA Park Center Sporting Goods 4-cylinders. Dalton Cox at the top of the board, the 18.13 in the 00 machine. Logan Siner going to rip it away with a 17.34. Josh Grimshaw, Lightning McGrimshaw to the top of the board with a 17.17. Ka-chow. Logan Siner right there behind him with a 17.34. Checkered flag is out.